How to fix no signal or black screen problem while connecting your PS5 with your TV. To fix this, just long press your PS5 for 5 seconds and turn it off. After turning off PS5, just go to your backside of your TV and change your HDMI port to HDMI 2 to HDMI 3. Okay, just go to HDMI 2. Now it is saying PlayStation 5. So now just long press your power button for 15 seconds until you heard a beep, second beep. Remove your hand after second beep. Now in the screen you will see this option. Just press PlayStation button on your controller. Now you will see this option. Just go to change video input, click enter, click on change resolution and click OK. Now you will see this type of screen. Just select 720p, click OK. Now you can see our PlayStation showing on our TV.